Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious groundnut toffee using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of groundnuts, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. For a richer flavor, have 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine ready. Also, prepare a greased tray or line a baking sheet with parchment paper for later. This ensures your toffee won't stick when it's time to cool. Now let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pan, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Place it over medium heat and stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture starts to boil. Once boiling, add your 1 cup of groundnuts and the 2 tablespoons of butter. Keep stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure everything mixes well. This stage is crucial for a smooth toffee. As you continue stirring, the mixture will transform. It will turn a beautiful golden brown color and thicken significantly, pulling away from the sides of the pan. To ensure it's perfect, perform a cold water test. Drop a small amount of the mixture into a cup of cold water. If it immediately forms a hard, brittle ball, your toffee is ready. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes of cooking time. Once your toffee reaches the perfect consistency, immediately pour the hot mixture onto your prepared greased tray or parchment paper. Work quickly to spread it evenly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 inch. This ensures uniform cooling and easy breaking later. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Let the toffee cool completely for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.